Almost every Amazon seller I audit makes this one PPC mistake over and over again. And the biggest mistake I see is not lowering your cost per click. Let me explain. This listing right here, we've got a spend of $200, sales of $3,000, and an ACoS of 6%, which is phenomenal in terms of Amazon ads. In order to achieve this, you need to lower your cost per click, and that's exactly what we did. Now you can see auto research substitute campaign. This is the campaign. And how much are we paying per click? Only 2 cents per click, right? And 2 cents per click, which is great. Now what you want to do to change your cost per click is right click and open up one of your campaigns. Once you do that, it's going to show like this. You're going to see total targets. Right click and open up total targets. And it's going to look something like this. You can see the suggested bid is 39 cents right here, but that's way too high. What we're going to do is start with 39 cents. Make sure that the campaign is spending money. And each week, we're going to lower the cost per click bit by bit by bit. Maybe by 2 or 3 cents, nothing crazy. If you lower it too quick, the ads will stop running. So you just want to lower it bit by bit. So for example, 3 cents at a time. So if it's 39 cents, we're going to lower it to 36, and then we're going to lower another 3 cents and another 3 cents until we get it down as low as possible. Each time you lower the cost per click, you want to monitor it for at least 3 days very closely to make sure it's still spending money, which it usually does if you just lower it bit by bit at a time. And you can see we got our cost per click down to 2 cents per click, which is phenomenal. If we were spending, let's say $1 per click, we're getting 2,638 clicks. If it was $1 per click, we'd be spending $2,638, which means we would be losing money. But since we're only spending 2 cents per click, our spend is only $50 compared to $2,000, which is a huge difference. And this is how Amazon sellers make money. If you're like, PPC, how does this work? It's really about lowering that cost per click and getting it as low as possible. Now, another one is a great strategy called a refined category targeting campaign. This is a campaign that I'm about to show you. So you can see we're already running this campaign, highly refined category targeting. And what you're going to do is click create campaign. Once you're here, you're going to click sponsored products. And then you're just going to do Amazon and beyond. And you're just going to click one product because you just want to see how to create this and why this campaign works so well. Now you're going to click add that. You're going to do manual targeting. You're going to do product targeting. You're going to do category. And this is the category we sell in right now. So the ad is going to show up to competitors in our category. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click refine. Now, our product is pretty much 4.9 stars. What we can do is we can make sure that this ad only shows to products that have a review rating that's worse than ours, meaning that our ad will probably convert much, much better. So now we're only showing it to star ratings that are 0 to 4. Again, ours is 4.9, so pretty much what customers want is a better product. They want to buy the product with the best reviews. So this will work. We can even go lower and say we only want to do reviews that have 0 to 3 stars. And this is going to make it a no-brainer for customers to purchase from us. Now, if the customer is really trying to get a good deal, what we can do is just keep the reviews the same, and we can just target the price. So let's say our product is only $50. What we want to do is only show up for competitors that are selling something that's more than ours. So if we're selling something that's $50, then we can make sure this ad only shows up to competitors that have a higher price than ours. So we're going to have better reviews, and here we're going to do better reviews and a higher price. Click add. And this is an example, right? Now, the more refined you get it, the less competitors that there are. So you kind of just want to do one thing at a time, maybe just focus on price or maybe just focus on reviews and see how that does. But this is a great way to get started. And again, this $1.71 is too expensive. But you want to start it off with this. And again, follow my tip in number 1 and lower that cost per click. Dynamic bids down only. We want to make sure that we don't increase bids. You can just name it a category. So you're going to put your ACIN in here and just do like a category refine campaign. That's what it is. You're targeting your own category and you're refining it. And you can do the daily budget at $5 a day or $10 a day, up to you. You can always go higher if you want. But I would rather just start a little bit lower. Just make sure it's spending money and then start lowering that cost per click slowly. Launch that campaign and you are good to go. Now, if your campaigns still aren't doing good and you're like, I'm doing everything you're saying, my campaigns still aren't doing good, then it's probably your listing is the issue, right? Because people are clicking on it, they're not converting. If you want us to do an audit, go to our description. You can click on our website and get an actual free listing audit. We're going to audit your listing for free. Just fill out this form and we'll look at all of your competitors, your top competitors, and what you need to do to stand out. You need to stand out on Amazon so that way your ads convert and do well. If your ads aren't working, it most likely is your listing, probably 60% of the time. Now, my last strategy is called a shield campaign. This is another great way to get a low ACoS, high ROAS. What you're going to do is pretty much do the same thing. Create a new sponsored product campaign. You're going to do Amazon and beyond, one product. But now this time, we're going to do manual targeting, keyword targeting, enter list, and we're only going to do exact. Now, cancel the other things that we put on here. And then what you want to do is just retarget your brand name. So if our brand name is BioRift, we're going to put in that. You can see people also type in BioRift biodegradable bags. That has our brand name in it. BioRift, where it's going to pop up, biodegradable bags, right? So you want to retarget your own brand name and what people are typing in. If you don't know what people are typing in, just retarget your brand name and click add keywords. Right? Again, this is going to start off a little bit expensive, but you should be able to lower the cost per click pretty darn low. And the ROI are usually very good on these types of campaigns. Down only. And now this is called a shield campaign. So we're going to do shield exact campaign. Right? Again, $10 or $5 a day, run that campaign. This one usually does extremely well. So again, the biggest takeaway is going to be lowering your cost per click and creating campaigns that put you in front of people to make sure you succeed. Don't forget to optimize your listing. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, Amazon ads, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon advertising management service. The first thing we're going to do is just audit your listings, make sure those are in top-notch shape because those directly affect your ads. Then we're going to go through your ads. We're going to start different types of campaigns, lowering your cost per click, and double down on the winning campaigns after we find the winning keywords. This is going to ensure that your long-term benefit outweighs the spend and make sure you succeed on Amazon. It's all about helping you work on your business, not in it every single day. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.